Hello everyone and welcome to Revenzo's I Kiran. So in today's class we will learn 10 new words with their meaning, synonyms, antonyms and sentence. It is useful for all defense examination and competitive examination. So here we go. The first word is tenacity. See, tenacity is a noun which means persistence. ठीक है, टेनेसिटी क्या है? एक नाउन है. उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? लगातार करना कोई वर्क is known as persistence. All right, now make it more clear. Tenacity is the quality or a fact of being very determined. ठीक है, of being very determined is known as tenacity. All right, so synonyms would be determination and perseverance. There are two synonyms. These are determination and perseverance. All right, so antonym would be irresoluteness. What is irresoluteness? See, it is lacking firmness of purpose. देखो इसमें क्या था? टेनेसिटी मतलब क्या था? persistence और determination. अब irresoluteness में क्या हो जाता है? lacking firmness और of purpose, lacking determination, या हम कह सकते हैं lacking firmness of purpose. All right, is known as irresoluteness. ठीक है, now let's form the sentence. She fought with tenacity, born of anxiety. She fought with persistent, born of anxiety. All right, I hope you understand this word. Next word is vary. You might have heard vary word many times, like variation in something. All right, it is a verb. All right, it is a verb which means differ. Synonyms are range and extent. ठीक है, range up to this extent we say. ठीक है, up to this range means up to this difference. All right, antonyms are agree. Antonym is agree. ठीक है, antonym would be agree means differ नहीं है, similar है. So हम indirectly बोल सकते हैं क्या है? Antonym है vary का. All right, so let's form an example. The properties vary in prices means the properties differ vary in prices. All right, next word is capitulate. See, capitulate means क्या होता है? Surrender करना. All right, capitulate means होता है unwelcome demand. It is unwelcome demand. All right, so synonym would be give in. ठीक है, give in means surrender करना और these are the meaning to the capitulate. All right, capitulate. Next word is antonym would be resist करना. ठीक है, surrender नहीं करना, resist करना. Let's form an example. The patriots had to capitulate to the enemy forces. All right, next word is tangible. See, tangible is an adjective which means palpable. Now understand what is tangible. Tangible is capable of being perceived especially by the sense of touch. किसी चीज़ को टच करना, सेंस करना is known as tangible. ठीक है, कोई चीज़ सेंस करना, ठीक है, which we can touch is known as tangible. All right, next synonym would be tactile. See, tactile means क्या होता है? Connected with the sense of touch. It is sense of touch. क्या? tactile. All right, antonym would be intangible. See, intangible is not having physical presence. ठीक है, which is not practical. All right, is known as intangible. Now let's form an example. The ambience. See, ambience मतलब क्या होता है? environment होता है. क्या होता है? हमारे आसपास का वातावरण, environment. All right, so the ambience of neglect and abandonment was almost tangible. Means the environment was almost palpable. Means almost we can sense that environment. All right, next word is implication. See, this is a simple word. Implication, we say na, this implies that, means this suggests that. Directly we are not saying but we are suggesting. All right, synonym would be inference. ठीक है, synonym would be inference and insinuation. See, insinuation means an unpleasant hint or suggestion of something bad. ठीक है, सिर्फ हम इम्प्लीकेशन दे रहे हैं, इम्प्लाई कर रहे हैं, हम डायरेक्टली कोई चीज़ को नहीं बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, इज नोन एज इंसिनुएशन. इंसिनुएशन इज एन अनप्लीजेंट हिंट और सजेशन ऑफ समथिंग बैड. ठीक है, it is hint of something bad. All right, so let's form an example. The implication is that no one person at a bank is responsible. ठीक है, तो ये implication है कि कोई भी बैंक में responsible नहीं है. राइट. सो एंटोनिम क्या जाएगा, एक्सप्लिसिट स्टेटमेंट. एक्सप्लिसिट स्टेटमेंट क्या होता है, वेरी डायरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, ठीक है, स्टेटेड क्लियरली इन डिटेल्स हैविंग नो कन्फ्यूजन, ठीक है, कोई रूम ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन नहीं है, उस नोन एज एक्सप्लिसिट. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नाइफ. सी नाइफ इज एन एडजेक्टिव विच मीन्स इनोसेंट. सी हम ना नाइफ कब यूज़ करते हैं, कोई नेचुरल और अनअफेक्टेड चीज़ के लिए, ठीक है, कोई चीज़ क्या होती है जो नेचुरल होती है एंड अनअफेक्टेड होती है, जिसमें कोई अल्ट्रेशन नहीं होता है, उसके लिए हम वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं नाइफ. It's an adjective which means innocent. All right. Synonym would be unsophisticated. You might know sophisticated means complex होना, ठीक है, जो कोई चीज़ complex होगी तो simple नहीं होगी. All right. So artless is also the synonyms to the knife. So antonym would be sophisticated. Let's form the example. I had a sweet knife look when I smiled. Means I had a sweet, innocent look when I smiled. All right. Now next word is proscribe. See, proscribe is in verb which means forbid. ठीक है. Synonym would be prohibit and ban. Simple one. Antonym is which we cannot ban, right? Which we can't ban. Now let's form an example. Strikes remained proscribed in the armed force. All right. Next word is impair. See, impair is in verb. Simple one. Impair मतलब क्या होता है, कोई चीज़ appear नहीं है, तो impair कहता है कि damaged one, right? Synonym would be harm, damage. All right. So antonym would be improve करना. Now let's form an example. A noisy job could permanently impair their hearing. Means a noisy जहाँ साउंड होती है ज़्यादा, कुछ डेसिबल से ज़्यादा, वो permanently impair, which can impair their hearing, means which can damage their hearing. All right. Which can diminish their hearing, which can harm their hearing. Next word is intrinsic. देखो, इंट्रिंसिक वर्ड क्या होता है ना, इनहेरेंट होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन एडजेक्टिव. इनहेरेंट मीन्स कोई चीज़ पहले से होना, बर्थ से होना, इनबॉर्न होना, ठीक है. इनेट मतलब क्या होता है, इनबॉर्न, ठीक है. एंटोनिम वुड बी एक्सट्रिंसिक. देखो, इंट्रिंसिक मीन्स क्या होता है, इनहेरिटेंट होते हैं. एक्सट्रिंसिक मीन्स विच इज़ नॉट इनहेरिटेंट. ऑल राइट. नाउ लेट्स फॉर्म एन एग्जाम्पल. एक्सेस टू द आर्ट इज इंट्रिंसिक टू अ हाई क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. Simple example. Now next word is renege. See, renege is a verb which means go back on. ठीक है, छोड़ देना किसी काम को, renege करना. All right. Synonym would be break and back out of. Antonym would be keep. All right. Keep is a positive word. Back on and back out of is similar to the renege. All right. So the sentence is, if you renege on the deal, now I will fight you in the court. ठीक है. If you will back out of the deal, what you have said before, I'll fight you in the court. All right. We have completed the 10 new words. You have to revise it for better understanding. If you like this session, please like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. Keep learning. Jai Hind. Thank you.